We were thrilled to welcome our clients from Rwanda to EagerLED. It was a great chance to meet face-to-face, have some meaningful conversations, and give them a full tour of our LED display showroom. We introduced them to our range of LED displays, including both indoor and outdoor screens, rental displays, and transparent ones. We also took them through our production and testing workshops, so they could see firsthand how advanced and well-developed our manufacturing process is. They showed a lot of interest in our products and had great things to say about the quality of our displays and our innovative designs. This visit gave them a much clearer picture of our technical strengths and what sets our products apart. We also took the time to walk them through the key features and ideal use cases of each display, helping them figure out which ones best fit their needs.